Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12 by 12 inch canvas and a desire to do something with skies, which usually involve pink. In this case, I have not used a palette knife the way I'm about to the best of my recollection. That's not open. I know it should be because it was just a minute ago. So let's see what happens. Let me grab some blue first. Where'd you go, blue? I've got chrysocolla, but that's not really what I'm after. I am after a Venetian blue with a lot of white in it. There it is, full. So let's just play and see what happens with a palette knife, which seems to have something on it. Yeah, I have a whole bunch of something on it. Let's get rid of that. I'm going to let that paint go right over the edge. This might not work at all, in which case I'll just grab a spatula. Got to try everything once. Or at least making a slight attempt. That is a hot orchid from Color Art, that bright pink. Be nice if the palette knife would work because I have enough paint on here so that I'm pretty sure I can drip it down over my edge and cover my edge, which is pretty unusual with Escape. Not sure I can do everything I want to do with a palette knife, but the only way to find out is to actually try. Boy, that blue really came out much darker than I expected it to. I've put some mead and white in here. I'd probably have some cells, something that looked like clouds. I see there's something in there that needs to come out. Maybe more than one thing. That, and that, and that. I'm just feeling like using something black on the bottom, but there's still going to wind up being some purple in there no matter what I do. Let's see how my edges are doing. Not too bad. One more item that does not belong, or a bubble. Actually, I think it was a bubble. So I could hit that with a torch really quickly. I kind of want to see what the chrysocolla is going to do from Prism Pour. Because I can, sort of thing. That's the name of my book on the Amazon link that's under the link tree that's under the video. I like that. I might like to bring some more of that pink down through. I think I'm going to have to work on it upside down to do it. There. You saw that, right? I like that. Okay, so there it is. So now I'm just going to grab my Meaden. Some white Anita's, some 24 karat gold with orange in it, some Meaden white, some more Meaden black, and see what happens. I might just do something super simple, like put a stand of trees on that hill Figure any of the pink that happens to show through is going to look like reflections from the sky. Of course, this might not work. I'm usually pretty lucky. We'll see. If it doesn't work, I'll figure out something to do with it. I think I want to try some green right on my palette knife. Not sure what to do with that blue on my palette knife. I don't know if those will stay or not. I know if I needed to, I could fill them in tomorrow. I'm just using my tweezers, but I think I could also use the sharp end of a skewer, just dabbing at the little black. I just dropped something in there that I don't want there. I'm relying on the paint to fill back in because it's so fresh. I don't know, it's a little bit spooky, to say the least. I want something really green. Maybe I will try a couple of different colors together. And where's the other one? Let's try that. I miss the purple. That's all there is to it. I'm just bouncing the tip off. I'm really inclined to use a card rather than my palette knife, but since I started this endeavor this way, I feel I must. Now I'm just bouncing it. I guess I'm quiet. I'm sorry. I'm focused. Looks like after a forest fire, it's not a good thing. Maybe I can do something about it eventually. It looks sort of decimated. Let's grab a straw. Well, for better or worse, that's escape. I've got some stuff to cover on my edges on the bottom. I'm thinking, I wonder what I would do to this tomorrow if I were going to do something to it tomorrow. It makes me want to do something to it today. Maybe that includes just taking a palette knife of copper. Because I would assume that the Meeden paint should still sell. One wonders if I could put some green in those trees and make them look less austere. But I would also think that that would necessitate me putting some green into some container or another. I guess I have one. Oops. I like combining different color greens to do something or other. I'm wondering if maybe if I just use the tip of an acetate card, if that might work. It does seem to be an improvement to me. I'll just do that upside down. If I went through and just put a dot, I could continuously pull it up. So I'll probably run out of time, even though this was not meant to be very time consuming. I think I was planning on doing some kind of swipe. Anyway, so maybe I shouldn't force you to be here for all of this inane little dragging, but it is an option. Whoops. Let's see if my theory works. I can just put those drops in there. You know what? I like that a lot better. I could even put it what looks like a second layer back there so it's actually a forest. And a couple of dots along the horizon line to make everything go back. Well, I'll fix the rest of them after you guys are gone. Because I can't imagine making you look at all of that for this whole time. Let's just go through and do what I said I was going to do and put some dots in there all the way along. And then just yank on them with the corner of the card and hope my head hasn't been blocking your vision the whole time, which it probably has. So for me, that's a much better impression. I keep seeing this dot of water. I'm pretty sure it's water. Maybe it's just a pink cloud on the horizon. In any case. So our burned out forest is looking a lot more spring-like than it was, and I'm happy about that. And I will finish this afterwards. So I will tell you guys, there's almost 92,000 of you subscribed. Thank you for watching. If you've been here for a while, thank you so much for still being here. I really appreciate it. I'm going to blow on that little pink cloud. I want it to go away. Or to make it look like a bigger pink cloud, which will work equally well. If I can find one skewer that doesn't have there we go. I don't know what that is. I was going to say candidate for another pink cloud, but we've got one on the horizon. There we go. So, forests with one pink cloud on the horizon, and I'm out of time. I've got 2 minutes to ask you guys to please share my videos, give me a thumbs up, watch them when the notifications come out, and if you're interested in winning a painting from me, look on the end screen video in the last 20 seconds. It's an exhibition video, but it will share with you what that month's prizes are. The opportunity is to win. I'm not sure what's going on down there, but it looks like a rock slide to me. I'm going to try and zoom in for you guys. It's different. I'm learning. So I have over 1,800 videos organized by the 100 and by topic and genre, and you can find them on all playlists, creative playlists, or you can ask me for a recommendation and I will give you a playlist link or a video link. I also have an Amazon link on the link tree below the video. And on that Amazon link, you'll find my 2 books, Unlimited Possibilities, and Because I Can, Volumes 2 and Volume 1. I said them backwards. Thank you for all the wonderful comments you give me to keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations, all 15 or 20 of you that contribute to the monthly drawing and get into the contest. Excuse me, not a contest, never a contest, always drawing. Get into the monthly drawing automatically through PayPal or Patreon. I prefer PayPal, and you can find the channel, you can find the icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube banner or on the link tree. I have Teespring clothing below the video, so if you're looking for a way to support me and give yourself something cool, go shopping on my Teespring, and if you can't find what you're looking for, you can always ask me to make anything, any piece of artwork I've got. If it's amicable, I will try and make it into all over print leggings or all over print t-shirts if I can. My email is below the link tree, and if you are interested in a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or you want to make a purchase of an artwork, which is possibly the best possible way to support the studio's production of videos, then use that email address. My paint pouring recipe is below the video, and if you have questions, feel free to ask. Thank you to everybody who's new here. Thank you to everybody who's not new here. And thank you for subscribing if you're not subscribed. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery saying, I love you guys, all of you. I'll see you anon. Please take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.